In Swahili, we have three types of demonstratives: this, that, and that over there. So in this video, we're going to be focusing on the that over there, which is something that is unique to Swahili and other languages, but not English. So the that over there really is used to capture items or things that are far from both of you. That is you, the speaker, and the person that you're addressing. So in our video, we're going to learn how these different items actually can be described differently depending on the noun classes. So the first one is that is a boat, ile ni mashua, and then we have that is a building over there, ile ni jengo, and then we have that is the ocean, ile ni bahari, and then we have those are fish, wale ni samaki, and then we also have that is the sun, lile ni jua. And I'm not saying over there all the time because it's implied. And then that is the beach, ule ni ufuko wa bahari. And then finally, that is the towel. That over there is a towel, ile ni taulo. So please note that all of them are ending with the le. That gives you a clue that you're dealing with the third demonstrative. So, and they also change according to the different noun classes. If you'd like to learn more, comment. If you have any questions, also comment below.